What's up YouTubers, Adam here again with another video for you, and today I'm fitting some wind deflectors to the ST. So furthermore, let's get to it. Right guys, once we load the window, what we want to do is just clear the channel or where the window actually slides up. I mean, it's not really that important, but if there's any muck or grit in there, ideally you want it out. So this channel here, where the window slides in, just have to get screwdriver, cloth, anything, stick it in there and give it a clean. Right everyone, so we've got the channel cleaned out. Now we're just going to fit the wind deflectors. Pretty straightforward. You want to put both ends in first. So obviously you can see the lip that slides into the channel. So slide in the first one, straightforward. That goes in there like that. Second one at the back. Excuse that broken bit there. That won't be on it normally. That's because I bought these second hand off my mate. He's useless and broke it. But yeah, so just bend it in place. This is hard with one hand, by the way, guys. Right, there we go. That's that one in. So all you got to do now is just get the middle in, slide up, just like so. And once it's in, that's basically the most of it done. Now, people say you can and can't use clips with these. Use clips. These will not stay on at all if you're traveling at 100 miles an hour. I do not recommend traveling at 100 miles an hour, as the UK speed limit is 170. But yeah, you see, it's wobbly. So what we need is the clips to fasten it in place and hold it in place so they won't come out. Alright guys, so I'm going to fit that, obviously the smooth side to the outside. Now this is difficult because I'm doing it with one hand here. I've got no sexy assistant to help me. So smooth side in. What you can do is slide it up against the wind deflector, push it in place to hold it there. So you just want to get a screwdriver or anything that you can then put in between the lips. Don't know if you can see that, but put it in between the middle of the clip and force it up as hard as you can. Really get it up there. So I'm really giving it some force, really pushing that clip well into the channel. And what that does is that will pull up the wind deflector, and if I give that little tug, now that is solid. See, that will not come out. If you saw me pulling on there a second ago, that was moving. Now that is not moving. It's flapping, which is fine, but it's not pulling down. So what we'll do is get 4 more in where I pointed out, and then that is done. There we are guys, that's all the clips in place. Now what I will recommend, once you put the clips in place, just grab the whole lot, the wind deflector, top of the door, and just squeeze it up there. Make sure it's really tight up into the channel. Once you've done that and you're happy with that, you need to do a window test. Make sure the window goes up and sits into the channel. Now what you will find is the last inch or two the window will struggle. That's because it is tighter for the window to go up, because now you've got the wind deflector and the clips in place. What you need to check is to make sure the window has shut, because if them clips are too tight together, you need to make sure they're open as wide as possible before you put them in. If they're too tight together, it will stop the window from shutting properly. You don't want that. But not, that is shut just fine. I'm happy with that. To do the rears, guys, it's exactly the same process. Basically, you just slide it into the channel at one end, then at the other end, push it up, and that's it. Now if you watch, if I let go, it slides out. So that's why you definitely need the clips. I mean, these are for this car, and they are Team Heco. Can't pronounce it properly, but it's a Polish brand. But yeah, they're the brand to get from what I've heard. That's the brand they've got, and yet they still don't fit properly. So that's why you need the clips. So it's the same principle as the front. Stick a couple of clips in, I'd probably stick 3, and that is the job done. Very simple, very easy, anyone can do it. All you need is some sort of flathead screwdriver. Make sure you buy the clips if they don't come with the package. There you go guys, there's a finished product. There we go. That took me 10 minutes tops, couple of minutes on each one. As you can see, it's all fitted on nicely, both sides. make sure you check out my Instagram, guys. East Coast Pistons. I usually post on there before I'm going to start doing a video, so you get a early notification. There's the other side. Now, for me personally, I think wind deflectors just add a little bit of sleekness to the cars. I do like the look of the wind deflectors on the car. It just makes them look a little bit better. And plus, I actually do like to have the windows down, travelling at high speed. So it'd be nice not to have the wind buddy deafening me as I'm driving along. But if you like that video, guys, you know, give us a thumbs up, give us a like, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos on the ST or any other cars, really, because on every mod that I do on the ST, I'll be doing a how-to video. So that, all them, then we've got more to come. I've got the intake coming, pipes change, actuator change, the locks. I'm doing everything to this car, so if you want to see them videos up and coming, make sure you subscribe, turn on post notifications. If you want any other videos to be done ST specific, let me know and I'll see if I can do a video for that. But thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in the next one.